Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video in your YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. Here you can see the YouTube. There are three ways to upload your video. Here you can see on the right hand side the video symbol. You can just click on it and you can upload the video, or else you can click on your channel name. There you can see your channel and YouTube studio. There you can see the same symbol as like this, and can just click on it and you can upload the video. Let me show you how to upload the video. Just click on the symbol. You can see upload video. Click that. Here you can drag and drop your video files to upload, or you can select the files from your specific path. You can select your path. You can see Office. I'm selecting my Word version. The video is getting uploaded. Here in this title session, you can just type your title which is related to your video. Here you can give two or more titles, and the titles must be separated by the pipe symbol like this, and the title must not be too long and it must not be too short. The description is about more detail about your videos. Next is your thumbnail. The thumbnail is more important, and it should have some high resolution images, and it should be more attractive. And you can select any of the thumbnail options by default, or you can upload a thumbnail from your devices that you want to. Next is your playlist. You can add your videos to your playlist, and then this video can be added in one or more playlists, and this will be helpful for the user to discover your content faster. And you can select here, you can select any of your playlist here, or can create a new playlist and you can add this video. You can create a new playlist here. Just click create. And you can add those videos into your Office. Then the next is your audience. You can select your options according to your videos, whether it may be for kids, you can select yes, or if it is not, you can select no, and then you can continue. Here you can see show more. Click on this. Next one is tags. Tags are the keywords that will be helpful for the viewers to find your videos. Ensure that you can use some of the words from the title or from the description as a tags. Ensure to use a maximum limit for these tags. And then next you can see language and caption certification. There you can select your language according to your video. Okay. Then is your date and location. You can just give your recording date and locations. This is option that if you want you can give this. Next is category. You can select any of the category which is related to your video. I'm selecting science and technology. Then you can click next. Here you can see the video elements. This will be helpful for you to promote your other videos which is related to this video. You can add some subtitles or end screen. I'm going to add this end screen. Just click here, import from video, and you can select any of the videos which is related to it. You can just give save. Then next, and next is your copyright checks. If you have any copyright violations, it will show you here. Here now in this video I'm not having any issues found, so it has given as green tick. So you can give next here. Now you can select private or public. You can select public, so it will be visible for everyone. Here is a schedule. Schedule is you can prefer your timing to make your video to be public. Then after finishing this, you can give publish to publish your video. The video got published. Then here is your video link. You can copy this link and you can share with anyone, with the Facebook or WhatsApp or anything. Here you can see your video got uploaded. That's it. I think this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.